Chrissy Wilkin here from my home studio in Greenbelt, Maryland. I'm an art teacher at Eleanor Roosevelt, and I'm here to talk to you about face masks. Now, the CDC, the Center for Disease Control, is recommending that everybody wear a face mask. So they have 3 designs of face masks available on their website, and I'm going to show you how to make a face mask using an old t-shirt. Every day we're learning more and more about how this novel virus is being transmitted, and we're finding that wearing a face mask can help protect yourself and others. Now, if you go to the Center for Disease Control website, you'll see 3 ways to make a face mask. One is a sewn way, there is one to do it with a bandana, and there's one to do it with a t-shirt. This tutorial will focus on the t-shirt method because it uses the least amount of materials. So I want you to find your sharpest scissors and an old t-shirt that you're going to use. So to make your mask, you're going to need about 6 to 7 inches of shirt. So you can cut the bottom off, but this shirt, I really like the design in the middle. So I'm going to cut from the middle. Okay, I got really sharp scissors for this. And let's see. And I'm just going to cut straight across. And I can save the bottom for another mask. And then here's another one. Okay, so then I want this to be the front of the mask. So I'm going to just find the middle, fold it in half, and what I need to do is cut out a rectangle here. So I'm going to leave some on either side to leave for the strap, so that I have straps here, and I need to cut rectangle out. Okay, now then here we're going to cut this apart, and we're going to cut this apart. And these are going to be my straps. So let's put this mask on. And then tie. Oh yeah. Now I'm ready to go. With this mask, I'm ready to go outside to do my essential business.